Mamka mu?
Mamka. What does it mean?
Shit.
Shit?
What are you doing here?
Ah. And as usual in these videos, I tend to go the opposite direction of the tourist attractions. Well, it's not only in the videos, always when I'm wandering around, even off camera, I just like to explore places where I've never been. And I think it's also important to see the local life. Also important maybe to see the tourist attractions, but you need to find a balance, I guess. Not only tourist attractions and eat the same food as you can find at home, you know, and so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm now really in the middle of nowhere. I have no idea where I am, but there are some cars here. So I guess there should be something here. I think the river is flowing next to me right now. So maybe we can swim. I didn't bring any swimming clothes. No, I don't have. I thought maybe in my backpack, no. So no swimming, but I will just check out some places here. There seems to be like a bridge here. Maybe they're fishing here. Oh yeah, they're fishing. Hello. Sorry? English?
Yeah.
You speak English?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm just exploring a bit. You're fishing here?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice, nice. This is the Yantra River as well?
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. What kind of fish can you find here?
Catfish.
Catfish?
Yeah.
The big ones?
Yeah, big one.
Do you eat them?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
They with them. I'm not.
You eat it?
Yeah.
Ah, where are you from?
Bulgaria.
Ah, but not from in this city, or?
No, I'm from this city.
Ah, okay. But
I
you don't like?
I live 6 years before in England.
Ah, that's why you.
London.
Ah, that's why you have the good English. Yeah, it's very hard sometimes to find people that speak English here.
Ah.
Oh, interesting. And any luck with catching fish, or? Yeah, you got one?
Yeah.
Where is it?
No, not now.
Ah, not now, not now.
Not now. Like.
Ah.
Пита дали имаме късмет сега да сме фанали риба.
Сега не, трябва да му покажа една риба да се радва.
Ah, you have a
This guy,
photo.
Yeah, have a photo.
Ама от миналото.
You just stand here and you got it, or?
No, from the.
Ah, from on the side.
Yeah.
Ah. But they're very aggressive, I think, eh? Catfish?
Yeah.
Yeah. You need to be careful with your fingers.
Колко големи ще фащаш?
Сега ще го видиш. То са най-големи възможно.
Oh. Whoa, that's like your size almost.
Колко
Wait,
20?
can I show you?
20 kilo.
20 kilo?
Yeah.
Wow. How many days can you eat from that?
Колко дена си ял от него?
Нито един продава.
What?
Is sell for another guy.
Ah, you sell it. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Ah. And what's the name in Bulgarian? Can you eat it in a restaurant, or?
Yeah, catfish.
They call it also catfish.
Yeah, European catfish.
European catfish.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. Very good.
How they do it? They make like a fillet or something, or?
No, like I don't know.
Ah, they like tuna. They cut like a small piece
Yeah,
of the
like
back.
cutlet.
Ah, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for the info. Bye. Catfish, very aggressive fish. If you give your finger, it will be gone. Here they're fishing as well. Hello. Finally I met someone that speaks English, and pretty good English, that helps me translating. These bridges always look so dodgy here. Not so much trust in it. Yeah. Here, an old German bus. Cityverkehr. Definitely comes from German, that bus. From Germany. Now this bridge looks very dodgy, but the view looks very spectacular. Look, you can see the rocks there. I don't trust this bridge so much. It's like, But everybody seems to use it, so why not? Right here we have another view over the Tsarevets fortress. From this beautiful wooden bridge, we have another view over the Tsarevets fortress.
Чай да я дам, че ще вземе да закапе това.
What is this? What is the name? The name of this?
Как се казва, не знам, на кефал се казва на Bulgaria.
Ah, it's for the cat? Ah, you don't eat it? You? No?
Eat.
Eat, yeah?
Sometimes.
Ah, okay, okay. Bye. The cat took the fish. Here she is. So the neighborhood that we're exploring right now is actually called the Asinova neighborhood. I just read that from the sign. I didn't know that. And during the Ottoman Empire, this was called the New Town. How funny is that? We call it Old Town. I love how they have these old boxes, but with a new meter inside. If you look closely, it's a brand new meter, but the boxes look really vintage. And there seems to be like a bridge that crosses the river here. Let's check it out. Wow, what is this? I guess there is used to be a sluice here or something. Look at this. Damn. There's the river. But it looks like it's not in use anymore. And this is the part of Veliko Tarnovo that they don't show you in the tourist office. But we're walking across the Yantra river right now. The bridge seemed to be a bit dodgy, look here. There seemed to be a lookout or so. Yeah, definitely a dodgy spot. You can jump right in the river here. I'm not sure how deep it is, so I'm not going to do it, but you could. Probably some people do it, I can imagine. So yeah, probably this bridge is a relic of the Soviet times here in Bulgaria. It looks like that for sure. Well, let's continue exploring. I'm not just heading that direction, and we'll see. Yeah, look, you can definitely see this used to be a sluice. You see all those teeth there, metal teeth, and like a chain or something there. So I guess this used to go up. Yeah, this used to be a sluice or a dam, even a dam probably. So you can raise this and close off the river. Yeah, not sure why, but it's not in use anymore. That's for sure. No, I'm not sure what's further here. Here as well. You can see the river there. And look, there's still one gate. Probably there was one gate here, a big one in the middle, and then another one on the side, so they can control the water level. But this bridge stops here, so it's not, yeah, it's not actually a bridge, because otherwise I could cross the river completely, but it stops here, so just heading back. Random exploring.
Aj môj Tomič. Jako?
Closer. Oh.
Maj! Wow!
Very loud. Huh? Sorry?
На къде? Где ще ходиш?
Sorry?
Къде ще ходиш? Нагоре Царевец.
Tarnov there. Царевец?
И се върнеш обратно пак. Вратата е затворена.
Do you English? English? No.
Може да се разкараш.
Ah. Not sure if I'm here in someone's garden, because he was saying something about a fortress. Maybe there's a secret entrance here somewhere. Let's check it out. Hi. Do you speak English?
No.
Oh. No, no Bulgarian. No, I'm from Belgium.
Second.
You have Google Translate?
Yes.
That's very handy. Wait. Ugh. You live here? You live here? You sleep here?
Yes.
Ah. You speak some English?
I. Mamka mu. Mamka mu. Mamka mu.
Mamka. What does it mean?
Shit.
Shit?
What are you doing here?
I am looking around. You know where this goes? This place?
Царевец?
Is this to Tsarevets?
No. Oh.
The other way around.
Yes.
Ah. And here you don't know where this goes? Where is this going?
No. No царевец тука.
No?
No.
To what?
Forest.
Forest. Ah. I was just checking around.
Квартал, чекай.
Ah. I'm making a... Sorry?
Quarter?
Quarter? This is for residential. Quarter. Okay.
Да.
There's a forest here. Forest.
Forest.
Gora, no?
Ами гора.
Gora.
Ама не е точно. Чакай.
Not accurate. The forest.
Yes. Ми тука са...
What's your name?
Фелис.
Feliz?
Feliz.
I'm Tim. Nice to meet you.
Tim,
Tim.
nice to meet you.
Only trees and then a road for cars. Okay. Okay. I'm asking if she lives here with family. I'm translating for the video. Your vacation.
Daddy?
Tourist. Or kind of.
No, daddy. My daddy.
Your dad lives here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Радвам се,
Че се
че се.
запознахме.
Радвам се, че се.
Запознахме.
Oh, it's complicated.
Запознахме. Запознахме.
Запознахме, okay.
Yes, yes.
Запознахме.
Забравих.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Yeah, and you will see you also. You in the video.
Oh.
You in the video.
God.
Okay, I will continue my road here. I will walk around a bit and...
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much. I'm Tim. Nice to meet you.
Feliz, nice to meet you.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, that was a bit awkward. I didn't understand anything. Too bad. Hello. These Balkan dogs are so crazy. Really crazy.